Today we've got a family-friendly home in Hodges Bayou.
Yes, and it's a great and up-and-coming area. You've got an ER, a Starbucks, McDonald's is coming, and it's just going to continue to grow.
Everything you need. Let's go check it out. I love this open concept floor plan. The kitchen flows into the living room perfectly.
This large ensuite is a perfect addition to the main space here with ample room and easy access to that open living space. Everyone has their own space. 2 additional bedrooms here.
And one more over there.
Britt, come check out this backyard. It has plenty of space.
I know, right? Whether your babies have 2 legs or 4 legs, there's plenty of room.
Exactly. So for more information, look in that description below. I've got the listing link there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one. You've got 2 more on the other side of the house.
It's just one.
Oh.
Forgot the 2 here.
Yeah.
Okay. Those high ceilings. Everyone has their home.
Mother effer. Okay.
Cool, come check it. No, that's stupid.